Welcome to the Sunday Sew, where we're turning words into threads, learning from the threads and learning how to create your own threads. So this week we're starting off with Kush, who has spent 150 hours on Twitter studying, curating, writing tips from the best, and these 12 tips are all you need to become a better writer. Pillars of Progress is doing a great job writing tweets and challenging himself to do those twice a week at least, and he gets better and better. Check out his thread about proving authority with your deeds. Sean, aka Western Mastery, shows in this thread his 7-step methods for getting guys like Coach John Hart from 3,000 to 4,000 plus every month. Andy Strom is a sales guy with 15 years experience and shows you here in this thread more about making sales than you'll get from a $15,000 sales conference. Story writing is something that you'll hear about lots and lots, and Elevated Story, 𝕰𝖕𝖎𝖏, spent $1,650 learning the same framework as Hollywood script writers, and now he's sharing the framework with you. Tej here has a free mini course on copywriting. It's absolutely enormous. Take your time, go through that. I'm sure you'll enjoy that copywriting thread. And last but not least this week, my good friend Dan Coe, who teaches wonderful things in modern mastery. And this is how 4 hours of focused work a day for 6 months will change your life. So that's your Sunday Sew for today, guys. Hope you enjoy it, all my fellow twits. Thank you very much for those who helped me pass the 600 mark. I welcome you all and look forward to seeing you during the week. 𝕿𝖕𝖊 𝕾𝖚 saying, have a good one.